You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. Let's break it down. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. Many confusing ones for you coming up. Corruption. Let's break it down. Corruption. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. You want to stress on the second syllable. Corruption. English pronunciation, how to pronounce corruption. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.